Welcome to Best RV channel. Not a Mario from Best RV. What is behind me is a brand new 26. So now we're gonna start talking about all the new 2026 model coming to Best RV. So today I'm presenting another 26 Keystone Springdale 1800 BH. I love Keystone, and some people they say you're biased for Keystone. No, because what they offer you on Keystone is way more stuff, and I'm gonna show you why Keystone and why this particular unit. Now, a lot of manufacturer from Forest River, Keystone, Jayco, any brand you ever think, they make a single axle. And single axle travel trailers become really super hot in the market. But other manufacturers as well, other dealers, when they look at single axle, they say we need to strip it down. Versus me, as Niall from Best RV, when I look at this single axle, we always tell the manufacturer, load it for me, put more option for me. So that's the reason when you compare a price of a single axle, look what you're getting in from an option standpoint. And that is make a difference on the price of the unit and that's what's make difference between each manufacturer to other manufacturer. So Keystone RV, they make single axle, the Springdale 1800 BH, but they load it with more stuff. Versus the XYZ brand, they make the same floor plan, but they take things off. So that's very important in this video is follow me and and listen to me what I'm gonna talk about the extra things on this 1800 BH, different than all the other brand of 16, 17 bunkhouses single axle. Now, number one is different before even we start is the warranty. Keystone RV manufacturer, they provide you with 1 year tip to tip on every single item. So anything happened to this travel trailer for 1 year, anything happened, it will be covered under Keystone RV manufacturer. And Best RV is one of the authorization dealer for them, and we're gonna take care of you and Keystone. So between Keystone and Best RV, we're gonna take care of this, any issue on this trailer for 1 year tip to tip. Structure, they give you 3-year warranty. So anything structure from doors, windows, walls, floor, 3 years. And the rubber roof on the rubber roof material is 12 years. So always in manufacture for Keystone, 1, 3, and 12. 1 year tip to tip, 3-year structure, and 12 years on the rubber roof. Now, what they did changes on 2026, they add more things. First, they changed the decals, and then some customers say, it's no big deal. Okay, I understand. But they change also the color in the front. So they put two-tone color in the front. So you have this kind of bluish and then white. And then you have the diamond plate or the rough metal in the front to observe the rock stone. Now, notice this unit is a wide body. So this is a true 96 inches. It's an 8 foot wide, not 70 inch. Single tank propane. Now, another advantage on this unit is they give you jacks in the front and the back. Some other manufacturer, they give you only jack in the back. So this has two, actually, you see the jack in the front and jack in the back. So there's jack in the front, jack in the back. Also, this unit come with the solar panel. So this unit is right there, even the sticker come with the Solar Flex 220 watt panel. All other manufacturers, even the one we sell, as well the other dealers, they don't give you solar panel, they give you solar prep. But this one come with the solar panel on the roof. And then this is the 3-year limited structure warranty. And that's to validate my statement. So 1 year, 3 year, and 12. Also, this unit come with inverter prep. That's the reason why you're gonna see these yellow stickers on some plugs inside and outside, it say inverter outlet. What does that mean? If you purchase and added the inverter in the front, all these plugs with the yellow stickers will have the ability. You see the inverter? Let's go to the other side, please. And I show them what I mean. So this unit, it has inverter prep, and you're gonna see a box that said on it inverter prep. So this is the controller for your 30 amp solar controller with a 220 watt solar panel on the roof inverter prep, and battery disconnect switch. Which means if I decide, you the customer, purchase through us, or you do it on yourself, and you add inverter in where this box is located, that's mean all these plugs with the yellow stickers, you could run them off the battery. Now, FY, solar, battery in the front. What is gonna run? Always they ask me that questions. Niall, you have a solar. What I could run in this solar? Fridge, awning, lights, hot water heater, heaters, stereo. All the 12-volt system will run off the battery and the solar, except two items. You cannot run them off the solar. Air condition, microwave. Those one they need either plugged in offshore or a portable generators. And that's how you run them. So these solar system on the travel trailer is different than a house solar system. These are designed to run any 12-volt unit. So that's kind of went off the subject a little bit to give you more educations about the solar and inverter. But the beauty about this 1800BH, it's already come with solar, inverter prep, as well additional solar hookup. Why? Because somebody say, well, I have a panel in my house. I want to add it to this unit so I could get more power. Yes, you can. It's already prepped for you. That's why I'm saying you need to look at features and options before you compare single axle to another single axle. Now, coming over here, you have 30 amp power cord, come with it. Look how fancy it is, same like trailer. City water connections, water tank, endless hot water heater. This is endless hot water heater. It's a big deal. They don't give you the cheapy one hot water. This is Suburban endless hot water heater. Okay, and then this is to prove for you, there's a jacks in the back. They give you bumper. A lot of manufacturers, they don't put a bumper. Okay, this one has to come with a bumper, a spare tire. Other manufacturers, they don't give you spare tires on their single axle. This has a spare tires on the cover. And look what they give you extra. Leopard expandable ladder. The ladder is they call this RV is prep for the Ongo ladder by Leopard. Backup camera prep. Other manufacturers, they don't give you all this. So this item and that item, they don't give it to you. This unit come with it. Then coming down over here, you have a nice power awning, nice black rim. And it's actually is a good tires with made in USA. That's a big deal. And this trailer is also made in USA. Now let's go inside and see the 1800BH from inside. And as you see, if the cameraman show them, please, there's a power awning with LED light. Everybody make this floor plan, but what separation the 1800BH than the other manufacturers? Number one, the AC is on the roof, not on the side. Some other brand, they put the side AC. So that's a big deal. This is same AC as the big travel trailers. They give you place for TV brackets and TV hookup. Solar on the roof with the inverter prep outlets. Solid bed. Look, I could lay down on this bed. 2 people watching the TV. And the kids, even when they lay down in their bunk, they could watch that TV. And the people sitting on the dinette, they could watch the TV. There's also a shelf. I could put like water, my phone, plugs, and there's a USB charger for cell phone as well, 110. There's a storage underneath here, and as I said, it's accessible. Let me show you. So this is the inside storage. And then the other box is the pass-through storage, the one I show you from outside. This is finishing. You need to look finishing quality before you buy. It's really sad. A lot of customers, they don't see that. Now, big storage, solid wood, nice blind. Some of them, they give you this cheaper one. This has the shade. At nice table. Now, why they make this table portable? Why? Because you could take this table, sit it outside, underneath that power awning, and go cooking, grilling, camping. Or this bench, because it's a 70-inch, this is a big deal. Look at it. A lot of them, they are 70 inches wide. This is standard 8 feet wide. I could sit easy, 2 adult. Look, I'm an adult, and there's another adult I could sit. So easy, I could sit 4 people on this table to eat. Other brands barely you sit 2 people. This is 4. So look at that, nice window. And there's the storage. Let me show you. Underneath the bench, see? Even this is the handle for the stabilizer jack. And then there's a storage here. Let me show. Yes. And there's a storage. So there's a storage. They don't waste it. Plus, the portable table go down and it become one big bed. Okay? So this is nice thing about, I hate these fixed table because they hit your knees. And me, I have poncho here. So I push it, easy to get it and move. So these kind of about the dining. Now let's go in the kitchen. Now, big cabinet, nice metal sink, 2-burner range, tinsel doors with magnets, place for trash can. There's your power cord, and you have a nice microwave. Again, you need 110 or offshore to run this microwave. Shelf. And look, I give you a fridge and freezer. Now, very important. This is one of the major things why you need to look at the Springdale. A lot of manufacturer to cut costs and to cut prices. Always I tell my customer, please look at it. And some people, they don't. They say, oh, it's a fridge. This is a 12-volt refrigerator. I could make this fridge cold off my battery. Other manufacturer to cut cost, here, you could give this to it and show them it's cold. Other manufacturers, they go cut costs by putting same size fridge, same fridge, but run off 110. So when you go out camping in offshore, good luck to make that fridge running. The advantage for you when you buy this unit, it is a 12-volt refrigerator and it has a freezer. It's right here. I mean, it's not big, but it has a freezer. Yeah, let me just take the brand new sticker and show you it has a freezer. There you go. Show them. So nice fridge, Furion, good brand, and 12-volt. Now, another manufacturer and another big dealership, they play the game on this particular floor plan by putting a fireplace. And you as a customer, and especially my wife and ladies, they walk in, oh honey, look, it has a nice, beautiful fireplace. Yes, beautiful fireplace. But you're missing a big point. That is your heater source. And what's the issue with that heater source is you have to be plugged in an offshore or portable generator to make that fireplace is running so you could heat the unit. And then we went back to the same point. Good luck. You're gonna go buy generators. Why? My 1800 BH Springdale is different because it's giving you a furnace. So this piece here, the cameraman showed them, this piece is a furnace. And my furnace is running a propane. And I have a thermostat right here on the wall. Okay? So I could run my heater off the battery. And I don't have to go buy a generator, and I don't have to plug this unit to 110 to turn a furnace on my unit. And that is the advantage for you to buy the 1800 BH because it has true furnace. It has 12-volt refrigerator. Everything run off 12-volt, and I have solar. So I'm not worried about, oh, my battery will be dead. Why? Because I have a 220-watt solar panel constantly charging the batteries on the front. So that's why this unit, yes, everybody making it, but what equipment they give you on the unit. And that's what I want you to look at it. Sometimes I talk too much, but I want to educate you and give you more info so you do a wise decision when you purchase. Coming over here, it has nice bunk bed with high room. Some of them shallow. This is big, solid, nothing gonna happen. And a bunk right here. And here's very roomy. Some of them is very hard to get in. Now, going in the bathroom. This is the big deal about this unit. Everybody makes 17 BH Coleman, 80 other brand. I don't want to mention names because you're gonna say I'm biased. No, other XYZ brand, they make this floor plan. But if notice, please notice that is they don't give you a sink in the bathroom. They only give you a shower and a toilet. That's it. Shower and a toilet. But what's the 1800 BH give you? It gives you a full solid sink with the closets and a separate sink. So when I do my business here, I could wash my hand, I could wash my face, I could do shaving. The other brands, good luck. You have to use the kitchen sink. But with this one, I have two sinks, kitchen and bathroom. And that is the big separations between the 1800 BS Springdale and the other brands. Also come over here. I have big shower. Everybody, you're gonna tell me, everybody give you the same. I'm not gonna say nothing. Everybody give you toilet. I'm gonna say nothing. But what I have extra is a sink, a cabinet, a mirror, and very roomy. And I could do my business inside, and I don't have to go do my business. And then I walk to the kitchen and I say, "Excuse me, wife. Let me wash my hand. I'm done my business in the bathroom." I could finish it up here and come from the bathroom clean. And that's what's the separation of the 1800 BH comparing the other brand. Price, we assure you, when it comes to price, no one in the state of California can get close to us. And we put us under the test. Do the doubt for yourself. Why? Because when you buy a single axle from somebody else, they are automatically, you like it or you don't like it, they're gonna charge you get ready package, and some of them between 1,000 to 1,500 to 2,500. What Best RV charge you? Huh? What Best RV charge you? Nothing. I wash it, clean it, I prep it, I make sure everything on this trailer is working and function and operating. I show you awning open, hot is hot, cold is cold, this is running, this is running, this is running. I spend hour, 2 hours with you, technician, to show you everything's function and operate. How much I took from you? Zippo, nothing. What other dealers they do? They charge you fees. That's the reason why they don't like us. Because we're straight to forward, we're honest, we take care of you before the sale, we take care of you after the sale, and we give you a good product and price no one could match. Dream it, camp in it. We sell for less, no hidden fees. Come to Best RV.